Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Colgate Optic Whiter Teeth in 1 week. Goes beyond surface stain removal to deeply white and icy fresh. And this is just in this, I don't know if you call it a flavor because you don't really eat toothpaste, but this is just in, I guess, the flavor, the feeling of the toothpaste, like the taste, the fresh cool mint. This net weight is just 3.5 ounces, 99G. And on the back, I'm sorry guys, I'll get into like the cons of this toothpaste, and this is going to be one of them. But it just tells you the warnings, the directions, and it's just in this little packaging thing, this aluminum kind of looking, like hard plastic feeling, like red packaging. Okay, so starting off, I just want to give my extremely brief toothpaste story. Growing up, I did not have a particular toothpaste that I would use. It was just kind of whatever my parents bought, and I wasn't like the type of child that I was like, I need this toothpaste, or when I went to the dentist, they didn't prescribe me a particular toothpaste. So I just used whatever my parents used, and most of the time it would be like Colgate. But like when it got towards the end of high school, my parents like started using Sensodyne, and that's what I would use too. When I ended up going to college to get on my toiletries, before I went to college and I ended up going to the store to get on my toiletries, my uncle had asked me like why I was getting Sensodyne, and I was like, oh, that's what we use at home. And my uncle was like, do you have sensitive teeth? And I was like, no, but that's just honestly what we use at home. And so my uncle was like, no, just get a regular toothpaste. So I was like, a regular toothpaste? That is my regular toothpaste. So I just had a very hard time finding a toothpaste that like would fit me, but I just ended up getting something regular. And trying to make a longer story shorter, I ended up coming to college, and I don't have the best teeth, but I do not have the worst teeth at all. And I became very insecure about how white my teeth were. I was just like, I want whiter teeth. And so I ended up using a lot of whitening products, and then I started using this whitening toothpaste. This is not my toothpaste that I use currently. I've moved past the whole whitening stage of my life, and I now have a toothpaste that fits me better. But I just want to speak about this toothpaste. So starting off using this toothpaste, I was so amazed at everything it was doing for me. I was like, oh my goodness, I saw whiter teeth in a week. And I'm really honestly not lying, guys. Like, I started using this product I purchased this product about 3 or 4 months ago. I obviously haven't finished the tube, and I don't really plan on it. It's just something that is in my bathroom at this point, taking up space, and I probably will get rid of it when I do like my monthly clean out of like stuff that I need to get rid of. But it literally whitened my teeth so fast. Like in a week I could already see like a difference. I did brush 2 times a day with this, and like I said, I used it faithfully. Woke up, took my vitamins, brushed my teeth with this, went to sleep, or before I went to sleep I would brush my teeth with this. And it was just something that I was just like, this product is amazing. So 2 weeks into using this product, I was like, this product is amazing. I didn't see a big difference from after the first time it got whiter, but over 3 or 4 weeks I did see a huge difference, and I could tell that my teeth were whiter. So it started getting tricky when my gums start peeling, and I was like, what is happening? My gums are peeling. I thought I had a disease, guys. I'm not even lying. I was like, why is this happening to me? But it just turns out that it was because of this toothpaste. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm just going to spit a little bit of knowledge. If you are using a whitening product or a whitening toothpaste, it does cause the risk of it causing like damage to your gums and like your gums bleeding or ripping. That is what this toothpaste can cause. And not only were my gums ripping and peeling, but they were also bleeding as well. So although my teeth were becoming whiter, it was causing damage to my gums and the roof of my mouth. It started peeling. It was just not the best feeling in the world. And so I thought I could go get around it, and I thought like maybe, you know, like if I used it like once a day, it will help, and once a day was even still too much. So I am not at all saying that this is a bad product. It just wasn't the product for me. But what I am saying is that if you are going to use this product, please be very careful and cautious. I don't suggest using it twice a day. Although you might not see an immediate danger happen at first, over time, if you keep using something that might not be the best for your teeth, or it like less is more, which is how I really feel about this product. Less is very much so more. If I use this once every 3 days, I feel like I would have been better off, and like that wouldn't have happened to my mouth. But just the fact that I was using it so much, like that caused so much like stress and damage to my mouth that I honestly don't see any reasoning to go back to using this product. Something else that I can say about this product too is it's not cheap. It's very expensive for a toothpaste. So if you are going to invest in this product, please make sure, like I said, that you are using it the right way and don't overuse it, because less is more, like I've said many of times before. And another con that I found with this product too is that when you are brushing with it, it's kind of hard to like it feels like not like a easy like brush. Like the toothpaste itself is just like a full white kind of like, and I don't want to call it crystallized, but it's kind of like granity in my opinion, and I just didn't enjoy brushing with it. But just overall, it's just a toothpaste, like I said before, that you just have to be careful with. It is expensive, so it's an investment, but it's just a Colgate Optic White Icy Fresh whitening toothpaste, and it's a good toothpaste. I just suggest that you just be very careful.